Nestor Hotel, Ayia Napa, Cyprus. As we see, the resort is located not at the beach line, but in Ayia Napa city center. You should walk 5 minutes to the nearest Limanaki beach. But the hotel offers fresh and very tasty food, varied enough for the 4-star level. Despite the city's location, the hotel is relatively quiet. Sometimes, you can hear some noise in the sea view rooms. The rooms are not large but modern in design. At the same time, the evening entertainment in the hotel is very simple. This resort seems to be a very good and inexpensive hotel without significant cons. Nestor Hotel, Ayia Napa, Cyprus.